And for our Tuesday, it's been kind of a mishmash of snow and wind and also a little bit of some patchy freezing fog. We're going to see more of that here for tonight. Here's a live look at the Fall River Cam on Highway 20 as you make your way into Fremont County or make your way through Fremont County. And yeah, it's snowing right now there as you go east of St. Anthony on your way up to Ashton. And we have more snow working in here from the west as we go later tonight through tomorrow morning, and then another chance of snow coming in here for Thursday. As we go over to First Alert VIPIR radar, I'm showing you that snow right now starting to move in here from the west and the northwest, getting into the Snake River Plain. You can see this band of snow developing, and it's getting fairly heavy at times there around I-86. Also, that snow is going to continue to slide southeast further down through Preston and Montpelier later in Soda Springs. Idaho Falls, we're kind of waiting to see some of that snow starting to form, but you look off across the desert, you got those dark clouds coming back in with a threat for more of the scattered snow for tonight, all coming off of this cold front, which is fizzling out as it moves in here to the northwest. Now we have another system, a deeper pocket of low pressure taking shape here, and that's going to be bringing in some heavier snow showers by Thursday. So for tonight and tomorrow, we have some low clouds and fog, and in that cloud covered fog, of course, we're bringing in the snow, and we're going to see off and on snow showers for tonight. We could accumulate another inch out there very easily with some of the snow that's moving through the region, even some heavier spots of snow, especially in the lower Snake River Plain tonight. The winds about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Calmer conditions will set in here for Wednesday afternoon before another storm rolls in on Thursday. Here's what the setup looks like for tomorrow. We have the cold front that's fizzling out overhead right now that's dropping in some snow for tonight and tomorrow morning. Then we have that area of low pressure moving a little bit closer to home as we go into Thursday. That area of low pressure is going to be heading south. It's going to be setting up shop here over the Great Basin. We'll see wraparound snow showers coming into eastern Idaho and western Wyoming for Thursday, and that could bring in some heavier bands of snow, especially for the morning commute on Thursday. Let's jump over to VIPIR-CAST later tonight. We have the snow with us here, and we're going to see that snow sticking around for pretty much all night long, especially into the eastern highlands and in towards places like Jackson, down through Star Valley, Driggs, and Soda Springs, and around Swan Valley, still stuck with some heavier bands of snow early tomorrow morning. Then we'll see the snow starting to lift out of here by the early afternoon hours. Looking a little bit quieter here for Wednesday afternoon, but by Wednesday evening, the snow starting to creep back in from the Thursday storm, and we're right back into the thick of things here for Thursday morning for the commute. Off and on snow showers all day long on Thursday, clearing out briefly for Friday with some cloud cover, a few flurries, and more snow trying to get in here for areas of the weekend, especially Saturday night through Sunday. In terms of snowfall amounts, we could really start to see some snow piling up in the upper valley, the Snake Highlands, also back into places like Teton Valley. Right now, about 2 to 4 inches possible of new snowfall for Thursday in Idaho Falls. That's on top of the snow that we're going to pick up tonight. And with the winds, not bad here for tonight, 10 to 15. I know it's been a little bit breezy today. We'll see the winds staying light here for tomorrow afternoon, with more wind cranking right back in here for Thursday. With the arrival of the storm system, we're going to have sustained wind speeds well over 20 miles an hour for Thursday, it looks like, on the VIPIR-CAST. Lows back into the teens and 20s this evening through the overnight hours tomorrow. We'll be back into the lower 30s around Preston and Soda Springs, 33 tomorrow. McCammon with highs in the upper 20s in Jackson and Rexburg. Upper 20s also in play for Driggs and St. Anthony, with numbers tonight back into the teens. We'll have lows into the 20s around Salmon, the lower 20s that is, a low of 18 tonight in Challis with a high of 34 for tomorrow. And then around Idaho Falls, we should score about a freezing high of 32. That's after lows dip back into the 20s tonight. We'll be in the upper 20s in Pocatello with a high of 35 for tomorrow. Unsettled conditions, name of the game in the 8th day, with highs around freezing for Thursday, upper 20s in play on Friday, and some spotty snow showers getting through portions of Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, with even a few raindrops mixed in because temperatures are trying to warm back up into those mid to upper 30s by next week. Pocatello 35 and 34, making up your Wednesday and Thursday. Stuck with the cloud cover, the threat for some scattered snow showers off and on well into the weekend with overnight lows into the 20s. Blackfoot 33 for the high tomorrow and